Grand Challenges Africa is an innovations platform that is seated within the Science for Africa Foundation. And here we work with scientists on the African continent with big, bold ideas that focus on the development of the African continent through science, really focusing on science to impact as one of the main things that we are going after.
As African scientists, we face many challenges and we thrive on those challenges, but to have the funding to answer these questions enables African scientists to analyze African data to produce answers for our continent.
It is actually an honor to be one of the grantees for this grant, and for my research group and the work that we do. We started from a background where we operate under limited resources. And receiving this grant, it means this is opening doors for us to access certain resources that we never thought we would access.
You know, research is expensive, and without funding, it's not really possible to do cutting-edge research work. So having a funder such as Science for Africa Foundation in continent, supporting local scientists is really important.
I think institutions like SFA can really help lend these innovators a hand by providing them access to those resources, which will help them develop better and more competitive products than are currently on the market.
There will always be a need to get more funding to support research and innovation in the continent, and having a platform like Grand Challenges Africa that has the means and the expertise to convene researchers and stakeholders throughout the continent is always of enormous value.
I think it's very critical that they found innovations in Africa, because that is the only way we can address our challenges. If researchers are coming out with innovations, then there has to be an attempt to scale those innovations. You know, and the only way we can scale those innovations is people like Science for Africa Foundation to go get a fund, and then these funds are targeted towards African researchers so that we can scale the innovation. By scaling the innovation, we get in touch with masses on the continent, and then by extension, we address our challenges.
Over the last 7 years of the existence of Grand Challenges Africa, we've had some amazing outputs coming out of the program. So for example, we have run 14 challenges on various different things, including drug discovery, maternal and neonatal child health, water, sanitation and hygiene, antimicrobial resistance, food security and nutrition, both for seed grants and also for transition to scale. It is upon us as Grand Challenges Africa to actually do all we can to ensure that investments in the innovation ecosystem continue on the African continent.